Life is not busy, but you make it. In the grand tapestry of existence, time is a constant, yet we weave our own narrative of busyness. We fill every moment with tasks, obligations, and distractions, leaving little room for breathe, reflection, or connection. But what if we slowed down, simplified, and prioritized? What if we recognized that life's beauty lies not in its busyness but in its stillness, its moments of quiet contemplation, and its genuine human connections? By embracing this truth, we can transform our lives from a frenetic sprint to a mindful, meaningful journey. It's time to redefine what it means to live a full life. We have been conditioned to believe that business equals productivity and that a packed schedule is a badge of honor. But is it really? What if instead of striving for busyness, we aimed for balance? What if we prioritized experiences over efficiency and connection over convenience? Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of purpose, not pressure. Imagine having the time and energy to pursue your passions, nurture your relationships, and cultivate your own growth. It's not about doing less, but about doing what truly matters. It's about recognizing that life is precious and that every moment is an opportunity to live more intentionally, more authentically, and more fully. So, take a step back, breathe, reflect, and ask yourself, what am I prioritizing in my life? Is it aligning with my values and goals? What can I let go of to make space for what truly matters? So, by embracing this mindset shift, you can break free from the cycle of busyness and cultivate a life that's more meaningful, more fulfilling, and more truly yours.